Finland and Iceland. I didn't forget anyone? No. But first I will say thank you to Luxembourg for being here and for the fantastic job you have done to gather us together. Thank you. And also I want to say my respect to the AHE board working these 4 years, and thank you for their job, what you have done. AHE is important for the Nordic countries. It makes us even prouder to be social pedagogues when we know also there are social pedagogues all over the world. And AHE is a natural organization to gather us. And we also have experienced how the national level, the Nordic level, and the international level can work on the same topic, the same issues, and how to use it, the same work, both nationally, Nordic, and international. And I think it's a good example how our workshop yesterday about the UN Convention and social pedagogues' role is bringing us further on towards important issues. And we also think that AHE is important